What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And today's another sneaker invest episode wherein I'm gonna share you and show you the process where I pull out the item and also how much I made, how much the profit, and how much I bought them on the Nike factory store, or the Nike outlet store, or even though online. Also, some tips and tricks along the way. So, without further ado, let's go dig into it. And now let's get started. So, we're gonna look for the Jordan 1 Retro High OG, which is the white colorway. We got two orders, so we're gonna take the first order. It is the size 12 here, and how much the retail on this one? 160. So how much did I buy them? I bought them for $79.97. Additionally 30% came down some more, 58 bucks on this one. And how much I made on StockX, I sold them for $197 after fees, $174.35 minus the buy cost, which is $58, and then I got profit of $116.35. That is doubling my money, somewhere 200% return of investment. Not bad for those. I've been sitting this one since November or December, so not bad for those. So the next one is just the same colorway, but I sold them separate because of price, the sizing. And this one is size 13. So I size 12 is much more cheaper, and I sold this size 13 for a expensive price. So I sold them for $220 minus the processing fee and PayPal fees and everything. Came down to 185, so minus the 58 investment, so that is 127.85. Boom, 220% return of investment. Oh, that is almost tripling the money, doubling the money, almost triple the money. So not bad to invest on this one. Well, it's almost like triple the money on both of those. But anyway, let's move on to the Nike Air Flight Posse 2. I'm looking for the size 8. So we got a bunch more of size 8. And we got it right here. Okay. And we got the Air Flight Posse 2 colorway white, navy, blue, and the retail is $200. I bought this for $59.99. Well, when I bought this one, the price is resale is still high, but then it takes a lot of people got them, and then the price are dropping like it's bad. But anyway, after the fees, sold this for 90s, and then fees 79.65 minus the buy cost, which is the $59.97. The price that will goes to my pocket is $19.65, so that is somewhere 30% return on investment. So still not bad to have a 30% return on investment. Okay, so next one, moving on, we looking for the Adidas. This is the women's thing. Okay, Ultra Boost 19 women's, size 11. Actually, I sold two of this one, two size 8 of Ultra Boost 19 women's, and the colorway on this one is the wolf gray, if I'm not mistaken, or gray free. Not really sure, but let's take them out of the box so we can see. There we go. Okay, so this one I bought it sold it to $135, and after the fees $119. Bought this for $66.78. and I make money like 52.7. That is 72% return of investment of Ultra Boost 19 women's exclusive. The colorway is not bad and can be convertible to men's size. That's why I pick up the 11.5. So just in case I won't sell it, I won't be able to sell it, I'm keeping it. But anyway, return on investment is 52.7. My buy cost is 66.78. 75% return of investment. Not bad. Okay, so almost all of them is somewhat 30% and above. Okay, next one. We are looking for a Nike Air Max 95 OG. Should be an AZ05. Right here, supposed to be right here. Okay, here we go. Air Max 95. Okay, there we go. The colorway is not bad, huh? I like the color when I saw them though, but unfortunately I don't have it in my size. This one I bought it for $69.97. After the discount it came down to $48.97. I sold it on StockX for $130, and then after fees $115 minus the buy cost of $48.97 came down to $49. Ooh, that is more about 100% return of investment. So what do you think? Well, I like the color though. Nice color. Who didn't like that? Okay. So next one, we got the Nike React Element 55. We got the Spruce Ball colorway. It should be right here. This one size, what size we got? 9.5. Oh yeah, that's the one. Okay, so this is the Spruce Bolt. I sold them for $99, and this is the Nike React Element 55 retail, and this one is $130. Bought them for $59.99. After the discount, $41.97. Yeah, $41.97. And this is the Spruce Bolt. Sold it for $99. After fees $87, and then minus the buy cost of $42 came down to $45 of profit. Boom, who want that? So I got a 100% return of investment. Well, not bad, huh? Not bad. Okay, now I'm gonna be a tip right here. So StockX, you're gonna ask a question. StockX don't let you sell a incomplete with box. Yes, they're not taking shoes that is not incomplete, like you don't have the top cover, huh? But why did I sell them in there? Well, there is you can find a way to alter the box. Like I have a leftover boxes like here. This one is for the collection. I'm gonna keep this one because this is the Killshot 2 leather, and I bought this in the outlet, and it is my size 10.5, as you can see right there. And there you go. A nice color of simple what do you call this? Sail Midnight Navy Gum bottom. Boom. And I bought this somewhere 49 or 59 something, or 75. But I said I'm gonna keep it. Now this is the tip. Since I'm not gonna keeping this shoe, but either I'm gonna throw the box or I could switch it up right here. So I'm gonna swap the code, this one right here, and then I'm gonna have a complete box. There you go. It's just a simple trick. You have just switching the box with same actual color of the box, because sometimes there is a different color of the Nike boxes, just like this one. There you go. Those are different color of boxes of Nike. So So if you got some leftovers, I mean, if you got shoes on you, you don't have to throw away your shoe box. Just like this one. This one is I have it on the collection already. See, I don't have the shoes in there, so I'm keeping the box. So just in case when I found something in the Nike factory store, Nike outlet store, that they rip off the box and they won't let you take the one has with the cover, because some outlet won't let you do that. Some outlet will they'll let you go with the top cover if you're buying on the hash wall or the clearance wall, because if you already knew hash wall, they take off the cover. So that is my way of simple trick, selling on StockX and not limiting myself. Oh, I can't sell this on StockX, and if I'm looking to the price, wow, it is making a lot of money. So if you saw them in the outlet and then you saw that you can't sell it because of the top cover, now you're losing money. So why not take it, right? If you got got spare of boxes, just switch it up. Okay, one more thing. So why not, if you, let's just say there's a something on the Nike factory store or the Nike outlet store that has a complete box, very cheap shoes. Then why not buy the very cheap shoes with cover, switch it with the one that you saw on the outlet or the Nike factory store that you knew that you're making more if you sell those with the box, if you sold them on the StockX. Switch it, switch the box, and then you're still making money on both. Huh? So find a cheap shoe that you can resell with the top cover, then buy the same shoe that you found it in the Nike factory store and the outlet that you knew that you're gonna make the money, and then switch the box, because StockX won't let you sell shoes that you don't have top cover. But even though you can still sell with no top cover or no boxes on Go. Same thing on eBay. So don't limit yourself. If you find something in a Nike factory store or Nike outlet store, you could still sell it on StockX. Just switch the box. Okay? You learned something, huh? You learned something new. Okay, there we go. This is what we sold on StockX. Not much, but I can't complain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not included that one because we're gonna switch the box. But anyway, I hope you like this new series on this vlog, Sneaker Invest. And if you like this new series, don't hesitate to leave a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. If you want to learn more tips and tricks, just like what this one, please leave a comment down below. And also, please subscribe if you haven't. And as always, Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Please take care. Peace.